Make the bracelet. This time we make the bracelet. I will be going to use the other way. Yeah, we will use the cover to lock here. This way will be easy. Go slow. Okay. Use the big size spring. Let's see an easy way. Hello, France. The necklace that we finished is a clear quarter necklace. Mix the different shape of the clear quarter. It's the challenge picture. Challenge picture from here. Dennis. Yeah, very nice. It's really good skill. Okay, this time I changed the way I make the bracelet. This way easy. Here. And burn it so that this part will be stronger. Okay. And let's put a spacer beads. I make a piece of the bracelet to match the necklace. I just want to be sure that the small clasp can be used as well. It's fast making. Today just the beads, bracelet or necklace, not too many wire wrapper. Okay, here. This one. Here. Cube stone. What kind of cord? It's wax cord. Wax cord, if you need one piece, is 2.5 wax cord. It's very strong wax cord. Okay, I'm going to get a piece for you. 哦，拿一卷白色的蜡线。不知道有没有还。OK， 大家都要白色。白色？白色，那种蜡线，那种很多颜色的那个。 for the bracelet, I put only one piece. Only one piece, the heart. Just only one. Here. White. Nam charm, you ask for white also? You want the white color as well? 白的还有吗？ Nam charm, what's the color you want? Okay. I pack 2 reel for you after my life because not enough for white color. Yeah, white we left 2. Here. I will pack for you. Thank you. Here is 6. Okay, it's a bracelet going to be finished. Then we go to make the bracelet and Hello, LP Lisa. Do you use gold coin because the hole in the gold heart is big? Yes, because the gold heart is big, and if not use a spring at here, this it will be it's not big influence, but it's like a way to protect the wire. Not touch the metal hole directly, then it will be looks more stronger. And in another way, for example, if you are use the Felix wire to make, and this Felix wire, if you string the necklace, and if we use the Felix wire string the necklace, then the part here is very thin. If you use a spring inside, it will be make it the hole looks I don't know how to see it, just a different look, and it's stronger. Yeah, or it's clear quarter here. Yeah. That's a tool. The spring is 2.451 string. Yeah, 2.451 string in 20-inch. spring 2.45 1 string in price in the quantity 20 inch. 20 inch. Then you can cut the length by yourself. It's not only a tool that's like this. I also put it at the end, use it as a wire protector. Here. Hello, Anna. Happy to see you. Okay, you can get one. We are make a clear cord bracelet, and we finished the necklace already. Here, this one, and yeah, I should go through the spring inside the clasp, but not hang by jumping, because this hole is big enough. If we hang inside directly, then we can wear the piece of the bracelet. 这个扣设计上。Okay, it's still a little bit too small, this clasp. Need to use a jumping better. Okay, this clasp is small. Need to use a thinner jumping to hang. Okay, here. If can be used the spring hanger on, it will be perfect. So here is not so much perfect by this clasp. It have to buy this. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So it's a bracelet. Yeah. Here. Bracelet and the necklace, the set. We make the set. Okay, so it's like this.